Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. Ephraim, let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. It has to be loud and it has to be clear, okay? If it's loud but not clear, let me know. And if it's if it's clear and not loud, let me know. It has to be loud and clear. Who's getting it there? Let me know. Hello, Mustafa. Hello. How are you, Mustafa? Ephraim. Kumalo. Can you hear? Oh, Ronki. Hello, Ronki. How are you? Ephraim. Kumalo. Is that your first time, Ephraim? Are you coming for the first time? Thank you so much, Ronki. Loud and clear. Okay. We are set up for tonight. Don't go anywhere. Hello, Crypto. How you doing? Executive, you are the first one today. Yes, kudos to you. You hit the ball rolling first time today. Good. You're number one. Robert, hello, Robert. How are you doing today? Hope it's all good. Hope everything is perfect on your side. Good. Excellent. So let's wait one or 2 minutes and then we start the ball rolling quick tonight. So we are starting about, usually we start about an hour ago, but today we want to give some people opportunity to join. Yes, thank you so much. Mustafa, it is loud and clear. Omotosho. Yeah, we haven't started yet, Omotosho, so you're not late. We haven't actually started yet. Daudu, hello. Good to see you again today. Brilliant. Thank you so much, everybody, today. The floor is getting filled up. So the hall is getting filled up. Let's let it fill up. Then we'll start. Okay. All right. VK's planet. Hello, VK's planet. How is the planet going, yeah? Brilliant. Okay. Lebohang FX, how are you? Where have you been? You're busy, right? Okay, you're welcome back. All right, welcome back. I hope you've been making some pips all this while, okay? Everybody making pips? Great. And I hope all of you are on the Telegram group. I hope you are all on Telegram group. If you are not, let me know right now. Let me help you. Let me give you a helping hand. Oh, good, Ephraim. Third time. Oh, glad that you love it. And you came back. That's fantastic. Good, Robert. Excellent. Good. So when people like something, they come back for it again, which means we're doing something good. We might not get everybody at the same time every day. You know, different people will come on a different days depending on your work. So thank you for turning up. I really appreciate it because without you, I can't speak to an empty computers. I can't speak to a bots, you know, like robots. It has to be human beings. And this is where I know it's human being because you are replying me as I speak. You are talking back. That's good stuff. Thank you, Robert. Oh, Mustafa, you don't have the Telegram. Oh, I don't want you to miss out at all because it's a very good resources for you, for everyone, especially people on my group here. You need to be there. you need to be there. There are certain things that I'm sharing only to those group. Some of the indicators I spoke about yesterday. I gave them one indicator which I'm going to show you today how it worked, but it was given on the Telegram group yesterday. So even if you are not there yesterday, if you just join now, you are still all right. So you are still all right. You're going to join the group and you're going to download the indicator. Okay, Mustafa. Oh, you lose a lot of money. Okay, when you get to the Telegram group, you're going to ask people their experience. So people will be straightforward and talk to you about what they're learning and how it's going for them. Okay, so feel free to ask questions if you have anything, like your past trade, your experience. Share it with people there. You see, a lot of people will tell you the honest truth. But I can tell you that majority of people there are making money. And they are doing the trades on their own using the SBS strategy. Okay? I can assure you SBS strategy is working perfectly. Excellently. Every day we have testimonies and good things about SBS strategy, how simple it is, and most importantly, how profitable it is. So, come on board, man. Join the group and see it for yourself. Excellent. Okay, let's declare the ball rolling now. I think we have enough of people. We have 20 people right now, so it is good time to start. VK's Planet. Oh, thank you. You like the news volatility straddle? Excellent. Okay. You know what? We are starting a big movement very soon. It's going to shake the forex market. We're going into a mentorship. And that particular volatility straddle, I will practice it live on the live account. You will see, you will follow me, you trade. In fact, some people have been trading that with huge lot sizes. Oh my goodness, trading is good. Excellent. Franz, welcome today. Good to see you, man. Good. Trade mentor, yeah. All right, let's kick the ball now. Let's start the business. Okay, let's start the business. So let's see today. Let's start the business. Okay, let me put this one on the screen. Okay, so we're going to start the business with this one. Actually, we can start with that one, or we can start with that one. Let's see, out of these two, we can start with this one or that one, or even euro. Anyone we can start with. Okay, let's start with the first one. Okay, let's start with the first one. All right, so this is today's trade. Okay, if you have never seen the magic of the box, this is the box magic. Okay, it is so simple and it is so profitable. Okay, so this is it. We are looking at USD Swiss francs. I think yesterday, for people that were here yesterday, I think we started with this same pair yesterday. So we started with this yesterday. Does that mean that it's very good for that pair? We don't know. We know it's good. All right, so this is okay. Let's see what happened yesterday. Just for some argument's sake. All right, so see what happened yesterday. See how much rush we went down. We were so bearish yesterday. We thought we can no longer be more bearish than that, isn't it? When you see this price yesterday, what do you think? Say, oh no. Tomorrow, no, it can't go. It cannot go lower. It can't go lower because we are so much down today. So after the US market closes, we start fumbling around, meandering, and not moving at all. This is why you don't want to trade Asian session. All this stuff are Asian session. This is when no action is taking place, and that's why majority of if you want to build a strategy for Asian session, some people build what is called the scalping strategy. Scalping, where you just want few pips, in out, just Asian session, because most of the time it is not going anywhere. It's a range band market. Okay, most of the time, because the average range there is much more smaller than what you get in US or even what you get in Europe. Okay, So we said, all right, we've gone down by so much pips yesterday. We can't go any lower. So let's say yesterday we went down around about 80 pips. Yeah. And we thought, well, we can't go any lower. But we can. This is today's box. See again, another lower again. So that's why you don't predict Forex. Never ever predict what is going to happen in Forex. Just go along with what you can see. That's why price action is one of the most leading indicators, because you are not predicting, okay, tomorrow, okay, what do you think is going to happen tomorrow? Okay, yeah, tomorrow it's going to go up, it's going to go down. Don't predict it, just follow it. Okay, so what we do here is, today we just draw our box as usual. We put our box here because we don't know what's going to happen. So let's make sure the box is right on the line. Okay, so we don't know what is going to happen, so we put our box here, right? We put our box here. We say, okay, after that, whatever that happened, so be it. We follow whatever the market says. We follow it. Okay, so we are market followers. We are not market predictors. We don't predict what is going to happen. We just follow what is happening. We are quick on our steps. Okay, right, so we draw our box here. As you know, everybody that is here before, if you are here for the first time, I will explain much better. Oh, this one is USD Swiss francs, USD chef. All right. All right, so we draw our box. So if you have been here before, get ready to answer my question now, you student of mine. Okay, I will tell you this one is touching, so don't worry about that. So let me make sure that it's yeah, you can see that it's touching. So don't tell me that is the that's not the trigger candle, because it's touching. All right, so now, ladies and gentlemen, fingers on the buzzer, please. What is our trigger candle? 1, 2, or 3? 1, 2, or 3? 1, 2, or 3? Which one is the trigger candle, ladies and gentlemen? Cool. Yes, that'll do. Yes, it is. It's gonna be fun today, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna be great today. Okay, so what is our trigger candle, please? Okay, number 3. Anybody else? Number 3. So France 3, Dowdo 3, Executive 3, Level Hand FX 3, A-Frame 3, Ronki 3. Okay, so we all agree. Okay, I like when there's agreement. So we are in agreement. Perfect. Okay, so because we are in agreement, I will then put our sell line on that number 3 candle. That's number 3 candle for you. So we put it at the right place, and let me just make sure it's different from the other lines and we can identify it. Okay, so this is the place we sell from. Okay, and ladies and gentlemen, do you have, hey, Level Hand FX, do you have a CCTV camera here in London or what? How do you know that? Yeah. Okay, man, take a cup of coffee yourself. Take your cup of coffee. Let's drink coffee to Forex. Let's drink Forex coffee. Forex FX. Great. How do you know that? Jeez. All right, so this is our sell line here. So we sell here, and we put our stop loss right above there. So we know our stop loss is at the high of the hour. This is the hour box. The whole of this box is 1 hour, because this time frame is 5 minutes time frame. So this is one hour box. Okay, I'll explain the box later on. Okay, I'll explain the box later on. So now we go short after this third candle, close of this third candle. We put our stop loss here, and our take profit, as we already know, it is the size of this box. Size of this box, which is today is, let's say, 13 pips. It's just about 13 pips today. Size of the box is 13 pips. So ladies and gentlemen, we are looking for 13 pips from where we enter a short position. Okay, so we're looking for 13 pips. Right, we got 13, more than 13 from here. Okay, actually here we already got our 13 pips. The next one is 26 pips. 26 pips. So we got 26 pips right about there. 26 pips there. The next is 39 pips, which is TP3. 39 pips, we got that there. 39 pips. The next is what? 52. Yeah, 52 pips. Where is it? TP4, and on and on and on. Okay, so we're looking for 13 pips, but now we got quite a lot of pips. So let's find out what is the maximum we got. What is the maximum we got? 76 pips. Okay, like we did yesterday, we need to know how many take profit target is that. 76 pips. How many? TP1 to what? You know, TP1 is 13 pips. TP2 will be 26 pips. TP3 will be 39, and so on and so forth. So multiply the TP by 1 each time. Okay, so let's calculate what it is. 76 pips. Okay, 5 TP. Great. Executive. Oh my goodness. This guy is good. All right. Okay, executive is fast. All right, you're right. So 5 take profit targets. Okay. Now, we have two options to do that. We can either, set our take profit target along that way as we did yesterday. So let's say this is our TP1. This is our TP2, this is our TP3, this is our TP4, this is our TP5. I don't mention anything, I just put it on. And probably this is TP6. Maybe maybe that was outside the range, that's why we didn't hit it. So we hit TP5. Okay, so the first way to do it is to set your TP like that. That means you will have taken about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positions. Okay, because 5 positions because you are hitting TP5. 5 positions because you are looking for TP5. But you don't know in advance if you are going to get to 5 TP or not. Okay, right. So if you are lucky that you had 5 positions, say for example you wanted to trade half of a standard lot, 0.5. Instead of putting 0.5 together, you split it into 5 places: 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. So 5 trades at the same time, but the trade number 1 will be TP1, trade number 2 will be TP2, trade number 3 TP3, trade number 4 TP4, trade number 5 TP5. Okay, and then when the TP hits, say for example, you hit your first TP, you are out, right? So your first trade gone. Okay, your first trade is gone. You bank that money. What you do next is you move your stop loss to where the previous position is. All right, and then the next one, your TP2 gone. You move your stop loss. Okay, now TP3 gone, then you move your stop loss again. Now TP4 gone, then you move your stop loss again. Then TP5 gone, then your trade actually is going to close because that is it. No more trades. Okay, so that is one method to do it. That method is good. It's manually done. It is possible. You can do it. However, yesterday I explained to you that there is an indicator that you can use for this purpose. Okay, let me give you a disclaimer here. This indicator is good for trend only. Okay, when you have this opportunity like we had yesterday, where you just see the price continue to drop or continue to go up in trend, the indicator is perfect for that strategy, for that scenario. So we saw it with this particular this particular pair yesterday. We saw it yesterday with this particular pair. We saw it that price were just dropping like this yesterday, and we thought, if we have this ATR stop indicator, it will help us. But we didn't know that it's going to do exactly the same thing today. Oh, who's this? Onyekwere. No, you are not late, Onyekwere. You are right on cue. You are on cue. You are right on the money. Yes. Right on the dollar. Not at all. So yesterday we were talking about this ATR indicator, how good it is, that we can use it for such opportunity like this. So what happened when we woke up this morning? We got exactly the same thing again, as if we knew it's going to happen, but we don't know, we don't predict it, but it happens. So therefore, I now thought, okay, now that we have talked about it yesterday, why don't we practice it today and see how it goes, at least with this particular pair. Okay, so what I did was I then went to get that indicator. Okay, so I'm going to look for it. It's called ATR stop. Okay, ATR stop. If you know this indicator called super trend is exactly the same thing. They are different name, but they do exactly the same thing. Okay, so this is the default setting. I'm not changing anything there. It's a default settings. The color, when it's blue, that is bullish. When it's red, that is bearish. Okay, so this indicator, if you have this opportunity where prices keep dropping and you want to know where to put your stop loss and how to trail your position, this indicator is a trailer. It trail your position for you and get you out at the best place possible. So it will give you opportunity to stay as long as possible in the market. As long as possible. Okay, yes. So you want a lot of practice with ATR. Good. That's what we talked about yesterday, don't we? No, Shama, you have not missed out. You are just coming the right time. Okay, so I'm going to click OK to that. Okay, so now, what did we see here now? All right. So is this today? This is today, right? So let me just expand it a little bit more so you can see. All right. So this is right today. Okay. So you remember we said we sold here, if you remember, at the close of that candle, and then assuming you don't know where this is going to end, right? You don't know whether it's going to be TP1 to 5 or TP1 to 6 or TP1 to 10. But if you have your ATR and you have this opportunity to trail your position, guess what? You're going to be chopping, you're going to be eating these pips. You're just going to be eating this pip until when? Until it goes blue here. In fact, it trails you so much that you only give little bit away, right? So now let's see what this one is able to give us from here to where it turns blue here. Okay, so it is able to give us nearly 65 pips. Okay, so that is the function of using this average true range. Any question? Anybody? So it's a great indicator, right? It's a very great indicator. So now that we have seen how this indicator work, I'm going to take it away first of all, and I'm going to bring another chart. So this time around, let us bring in Mr. United States of America versus Japanese yen. Let us bring in USD JPY. USD JPY. UJ. Let's bring in UJ. Colin, how are you? Good to see you again. Excellent. All right, USD JPY. Here we go. All right, let's make sure we are looking at today. Okay, so this is today. All right, that's today for USD JPY. All right, USD JPY isn't that great today. Okay, so we'll analyze everything. Let's look at what USD JPY gave us today. All right, what did he give us today? Okay, so he didn't give us any trade here, no trade there. He gave us one trade over here, as you can see. Then he gave us another trade over here, which is still going. So not much action to do with this USD Japanese yen today. What about euro dollar? Okay, is this today? Yes, this is today. Okay, euro dollar give us a sell, which probably we should be closing at break even if we don't reach our TP1. It gave us another grace here to enter a buy, which should give us TP1, TP2. Okay, that is euro dollar. Which other one? Let's see. Like euro dollar, let's see if let's try the ATR on euro dollar. Let's see. Okay, let's analyze it. Actually, let's first of all analyze it properly because of the people that are here for the first time. Okay, all right, so let's analyze it for people that are here for the first time. Okay, so now this is the euro dollar. This box is our box. We call it the session box. Okay, let me quickly show you. All right, so this session box is called sessions. Okay, and inside the session box you can set 3 different time zones: Asian time zone, Europe time zone, US time zones. Okay, let me just expand it so you can see everything. That's all that is there. So you can set the Asian time zone, Euro time zone, US time zone, or session, whatever you call it. Okay, but for now we disable we disable Asian by putting no color. Euro, we enable it by putting the purple color. We put our time 9 to 10. US, we disable it because we don't want to see it yet, so color is none. Okay, and we don't want to see line price on the chart as well. So the important bit right now is this time. Europe is 9 to 10. Okay, so 9 to 10 if you are using IC market. If you are using any other broker, you need to find what is 7 to 8 London time, sometimes GMT. Okay, so what is 7 to 8 GMT on your broker's platform? Okay, that's one method. All right, second method is on the Telegram channel. If you are still not 100% sure, on the Telegram group, every morning we will post a chart that looks like this, and we post it immediately after the box is complete. Okay, so immediately after the box is complete, we post a chart. Most of the time pound dollar chart, so you can look immediately at your own chart and find where your box should be. And you only need to do it only one day. So once you do it once, that's it. You know the time that we are all trading. So we should all be trading the same time, same box, so that you can get the same result. I mean, I will have shown you Telegram, the Telegram group can see the screenshot of the trade people are taking there. People are taking great trades, closing 5 trades one trade, 8 trades a day, making a lot of money, and some of them are on live account and some are on demo account as well. So now I will show you now that this place, after the box is drawn, okay, the next thing you see is that you are looking for a breakout candle. Okay, a breakout candle is a candle that is formed completely outside the box. Okay, the candle is completely outside the box. So now you see this candle is not outside the box, that one is not. All these candles are touching. The first candle that is formed outside of the box is this candle here, this bearish candle. That's the first candle that formed outside of the box. So that is the candle we are looking for. So you don't look for candle because they touch it, it's not our trigger candle. Because they touch it, it's not our trigger candle. Because this one doesn't touch it and is completely outside, that is our trigger candle. So we select that. Okay, I will say this is our trigger candle. So we draw our sell line again. We draw our sell line again at the close of that candle. Okay, when you sell, your stop loss is this line here, the high line. And if you have bought, let's say it's a breakout to the upside, this line will be your stop loss. As you know, our take profit is this very box. So simple. Today's is 30 pips. Let's say it is 30 pips. Okay, today's box is 30 pips for Euro USD. Okay, and then we are looking for 30 pips from here. As you can see, we are not going to get 30 pips. Our TP1, not likely you are going to get 30 pips, but most likely you are going to get 10. And I said the policy is that if you are able to secure 10 pips in any of your trade and it started to reverse against you, you are better off to come out break even and wait for a re-entry. There will always be re-entry. If not today, will be tomorrow. Okay, but it's good to cultivate the habit of going home break even, no loss, because you got chance to do it another day. So don't hang on to losing trade for too long. Okay, so now let's see how much pips we're able to make from here, whether we make up to 10 pips. In fact, we nearly make 20 pips. This is 18 pips. So from 18 pips, I used to ask that question, from plus 18, will you let your profit now start to go down to plus 10, plus 5? It goes to this line, 0 at this line, because this is where you enter, minus 2, minus 8, minus 10, minus 15, minus 18, minus 25, and then it stop you out. Will you? Because I don't think I will like to do that. I will cut it here, right? So don't be annoyed on the days when you cut it at break even and it goes and make another 20 pips in your in the direction. Don't be annoyed with that. That is called discipline. Okay, that is discipline. I've seen somebody try to not really happy because they cut their trade at break even. I wanted to actually congratulate that person and say, look, here is my hand. I shake your hand because you have done the right thing. You've done exactly what a trader should do. That is what differentiates the traders that make it and those ones that don't. The ones that make it, they cut their losses very short, sharp. They are very quick in cutting losses. But the ones that don't make money, they leave the losses and they keep running that losses until forever, thinking it's going to come back. Oh, wait for it. It's coming back. I know. And they'll start praying. Heavenly Father, let it come down. No, that's not. So what you need to do is you need to cut your losses as soon as possible. Okay, so now here we know here we can break even here. Even if you are really at it, you can close 1 or 2 pips in profit. If not break even, You can even close 5 pips or 10 pips in profit. Okay, let's assume that you break even here. Okay, for argument's sake, it's a break even trade, which is not bad at all. Now your chance is now here. I mean, if you have lost here, you will be disappointed by now. You'll be closing your platform and say, oh, I'm no longer trading. It's finished today. It's finished today. But if you have come out break even here, you are still fresh. You are so fresh. You are looking for another opportunity, and here you are. Okay, let's look at this opportunity here. Let's look at this opportunity here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, fingers on the buzzer this time around. Okay, everybody ask. I'm going to ask everybody this question. Which one is the trigger candle? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? Which one is the trigger candle? 1, 2, or 3? Fingers on the buzzer, please. 1, 2, or 3? Fingers on the buzzer. One, two, or 3. Which one? 1, 2, or 3. Fingers on the buzzer. Okay, Felix. Label hang FX 2. Okay, good. Felix think is 3. All right. Robert think is 2. Ronki think is 2. Who else is contributing there? Okay, Felix. Okay, Felix, you change it. All right, good. Robert, you think it's 2. Okay, interesting. All right. Okay, Hanshell think it's 3. Okay, Faraz, is that your first time? No, I think you've been here before. Have you? Faraz Nawaz, have you been here before? Felix, yeah, you changed your mind. Yeah, I can see that. You're experienced, you know. You are experienced fella. Health Fit. Is this your first time, Health Fit? You choose 2, okay? All right, no problem, Felix. Okay, Micah, you choose 2. All right, let's see. Let's see who is right and who is not. All right, so if you tell me your answer is number 1, you are completely wrong, because number 1 is touching the line. It's not neither in nor out. And as we said before, we don't want uncommitted candle. This is not committed at all. Okay, it's in, one leg in, one leg out. Shove it away. If you see one leg in, one leg out, say no way, we're not interested. We want completely out. Okay, number 2, what happened to number 2? It's completely out, so it's not touching the line. So what happened to number 3? Well, it doesn't touch the line as well, though it's very close. But even though it meets our criteria, but someone has come before it, so definitely it is not number 3. The correct answer is number 2. So kudos to everybody that got it right. Let's start from who got it right. So the first person that got it right is Lebuhan FX, Robert, Ronki, Felix, Robert, Hanshell. Oh, Hanshell, okay. Faraz, Health Fix, Felix, Micah. Okay, yes, you've been here before, Faraz. Okay, good to see you again. Health, okay, it's your first time, Health Fit. Okay, you're welcome. And Robert too got it as well. And Anchef, okay, Anchef, you got it. Excellent, great stuff. So we understand it now. Excellent. So, all right, Collins, I saw you wanted to know the super trend settings. Okay, Collins, we're using default settings. Okay, it's the default setting. I'm going to put it back on. Let me put it back on. Okay, all right, before I do that, let's measure our trade here first. Okay, and then I'll put it on. Okay, so we know this is candle number 2 is our trigger candle. So I'm going to put our buy trade at the close of that candle number 2. and let me make it smaller so we can see what is, yeah, we can measure our take profit target. Okay, so our take profit target will be 20, let's call it 30. Okay, 30 pips. I think we measured before, 30 pips. Okay, so from here we are looking for 30 pips. Okay, let's see if we got it. Did we get 30 pips from here? Yes, actually we got 60, we got 62, 62, 63 pips. So we definitely get TP1 and TP2 over there. Over here you got maybe +5 or +2, or worst case scenario 0. That is break even. So 1 break even and 2 take profit. Excellent, great. That's a good return for the day, isn't it? Do you agree with me? It's a good return for the day. All right, so what we're going to do now is, let me add back the ATR indicator. So insert custom indicator, ATR stop. Okay, Collins, you want to see the settings? Is the default settings 14 and 3. If you have super trend, is the same thing as ATR stop. They are doing exactly similar stuff, very, very close to each other. So 14.3. Okay, some people can adjust it lower or higher depending on the instrument you are trading. Okay, but these settings is generally generous. It's a generous settings. So if you apply it, the color, blue color means uptrend, red color means downtrend. Okay, so if you apply it, you will see here, you see that the trend has actually started right before we get to our trade here. We got into our buy trade here, and this is supporting our trade up until this point. That is where we exit that trade. Okay, so because initially you don't know whether you are going to get TP1, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, but we go into a buy trade here. ATR asks us to come out from here. Excellent. All right, Collins, good to see you. All right, you enjoyed it now, right? You got it. That is the ATR. We use the default, we just use the default settings. Okay, some people can adjust it. Let me adjust it a little bit and put it at 2.5. so I hope you guys know what this settings means. Okay, it might be written like sounds like French or German or Russia, but all it means is the multiplying factor. So now it's using 2.5 ATR. Before, with this, it's using 3 ATR, average true range. So for this time frame, it's following the price behind by 3 times the average true range. So if you want the indicator to be closer to the price, you reduce this figure. You can reduce this figure. Let's say we reduce it to 2.5. Okay, notice that the indicator will move a bit closer to the price, but not too close. Okay, if it's too close, then it will give you buy and sell, or it will go into uptrend and downtrend so often. Okay, so let's do that. 2.5. Okay, 2.5 still good. The difference to it is not too much, but it took us a little bit earlier than before. I think we came out somewhere around here before, but this time we came out earlier. So let's push it a little bit more. Let's push our lock one more time. Okay, let's push our lock to 2.0, and you'll see what will happen. If we push it too hard, then it's no longer going to give us a nice looking trend. Let's push it one further. Now see the difference. It's no longer giving us a nice trend. It's now broken the trend into uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. So the idea is make it generous enough. In fact, 3 is okay. 3 is always very good. It's generous enough. I mean, if it's more than 3, it could be too big as well. So With 3, most of the price is contained in there. We saw we saw this earlier. We saw that it was kept within that range. That ATR kept it within that range. So assuming you have gone short, after you've seen the box here, you've gone short and you were using the ATR indicator as your guide. This is how it works. You know, it won't trail it for you. You have to look at the ATR and place your own stop loss or move your stop loss. So for example, now the price is trading here. Your stop loss, you will move it to this flat area, this flat line here. So when your stop loss here, price is trading here. Okay, then when price is trading here, you see your stop loss goes down a little bit, that flat area. Then by the time price is trading here, you see a little bit flat line here. Or if it's not so close, you're so sure, you go to the next flat area here. So price is already here, your stop loss is over there protecting you. Okay, when price is round about here, okay, so over here, the thing is, when you use ATR, it is when price close above it. When you use this ATR, it's when price close above it is deemed to have been the trend has changed. Only when the price close above it, not when it touches it. Okay, so when prices are here, your ATR will be somewhere around there. When prices are down here, your ATR is over here. When prices are trading here, your ATR goes to that flat area. When price drop to here, your ATR goes to somewhere there. And finally, when prices are trading down here, your ATR finally stay here until you see this is the first candle that closes above the ATR stop. That bullish candle closes above ATR stop, and that is how the trend change. The trend changed from being bearish to bullish. Okay, that is how simple it is to use the ATR indicator. But remember, it doesn't work in a range. When you are in a range, it doesn't work at all. Don't use it in a range. You only want to use it when you are in a trade and it looks like this trade is in your favor and it's going to go on and on. So you can just try the ATR on it and say, okay, instead of moving my stop loss manually, why don't I use this ATR to guide me? Let it guide me to when I will put my stop loss, when I will stop, and when I will move it. Good stuff. Excellent. OJ, good evening. Hello, how are you? Hope you're well. Good to see you again. All right, so that is about that. Which other one? I think we've seen euro as well. We've seen euro. I'm not sure whether we have seen GBP USD. Let's see. Okay, well, it's not too bad for GBP USD today as well. Okay, so let's try GBP USD and see what happened. So remember, we have our strategy of taking profit. The ATR stop is just an additional tool. Okay, I'm not saying forget about your TP1, TP2. Is actually the best because it will take you out whatever, you know. Once you hit that your target, it will take you at the utmost best place when you use TP. Okay, when you use ATR, you are going to give some profit away. Let me give you an example. Right, look at here. Let's assume, okay, now let's first of all analyze our area of sell. Where do we sell from here? Okay, let me make it bigger. Come on, I don't want to see you yet. Don't want to see you yet. All right, go away. Okay, fingers on the buzzer, everybody. Quick one. Which one is the trigger candle? 1 or 2? Fast. 1 minute. I don't have much time to. Oh, let me slow down. All right. Hello, OJ. Great stuff. Mujitaba. All right, no worry, Mujitaba. You're welcome. Glad that you love it. I like when people love my indicators and they love my teaching, my training. So just wait for it. Something big is coming. all of you guys, we're going to go on a single platform. It's going to be rocking in that platform. Yeah, when we get to the platform, you will see. I mean, we are going to turn into professional trader, and you will see like-minded people. You are going to trade together, bounce ideas, simple system that work. We don't want complicated systems. We don't want 15 different indicators on the chart. Great. Okay, so Pritesh 2, Adekunle 2, Lebo and FS 2, Robert 2, Ronki 2, Health Fit 2, OJ 2, Faraz 2. Excellent. You all got it right. I'm happy for that. Okay, Ephraim, you got it as well. All right, so the answer is actually 2. You are right. 2 is the answer. Okay, it's the answer. And I can see our new members, they got it right as well. Hurrah! Choi! Where are you from, Choi? We need to know you. Where are you from? Okay, good to see you anyway. Good to see you. All right, so this is where we take our sell trade. Okay, we take our sell trade from here, and then we put our take profit is what? A lovely take profit, 20 pips. Okay, 20 pips take profit. Okay, and the stop loss is right above here. Okay, let me explain what I wanted to explain to you before. I will explain it now. Okay, now let us see the maximum pips you can get from here. The maximum pips you can get from here is 66 pips. Hello, Choi from Korea. You're welcome. Glad you join us. We like to see people from different countries. We have all the continents on these programs, on these sessions. I think we've got people from Korea as well. So you are highly welcome. Okay. Have you been to the Telegram channel yet? The Telegram group? I hope everyone joining tonight has already been on the group, the Telegram group, because half of what we are saying here is going to be repeated over there, but not by me only, but by over 600 people. In fact, going to 700 now. Probably 700 already tonight. 700 people trading SBS, Simple Breakout System or Simple Breakout Strategy. Can you imagine if 700 people are trading one system and they are all still together? So what does that tell you? They are not fools. I mean, we are not fools here. If somebody is telling you rubbish, you walk away, isn't it? If you know it's not working, you just tell them to the face. Say, oh, my friend, I'm sorry. This doesn't work. I'm gone. But we started this group and we are 700 and no one is leaving. Instead, more people are joining. We're not introducing different strategies, okay? Because sometimes there could be some tricks. So where you put in a strategy, if it doesn't work, you bring a new strategy or bring another one, making 4 strategies, then you change and swap it around. No, we started with one strategy, Simple Breakout Strategy. And we stuck with one strategy, and we started with just how many people? Maybe 10, 15 people. Now we are 700 trading one strategy, simple box. This simple little box, that is what we are trading, and people are making money. So I'm glad that you are in this team. So what I'm trying to tell you is, if you have not joined the group, it's your chance today to join that group. Otherwise, you are actually missing a lot. Okay, so now let me tell you what I wanted to tell you. Okay, so I said the maximum you can get from this is 66 pips. Okay, now tell me, has the ATR done a good job on here? Because here is where it has changed the direction. So here the trend has changed from being downtrend, it has changed to the uptrend. Okay, has it done a good job, enough job for us, knowing that we have 66 pips on the table? How many pips will the ATR able to take? let's see how many pips he's able to take from 66 pips. ATR was able to take 29 pips. It's not a great job he has done. From 66, he was able to take 29 pips, less than half of the pips on the table. So it's actually not the great indicator if you don't have a long trend. Okay, for example, here it's a better indicator here because you have a longer trend, because here he has milk it and milk it and milk it and come out from there. Okay, so let's analyze it fully now. So our take profit target, as we said, if I can remember what it is again, I think we said 20. Are we right? Yes, we said 20. Okay, so our take profit target is 20. So we said it's 66. So if you use your TP1, TP2, and TP3, you are likely going to get out TP1. Maybe your TP1 is here. Maybe your TP2 is here. And maybe your TP3 is there. So you'll be able to get TP1, 2, and 3. Okay? That's one method. But if you use the ATR method for this particular one, you won't get your TP3. You'll probably close at TP2. Round about TP2. That's where ATR will take you out from. So it could be great in some occasions like this, but in other occasions it may not be great. So for you to exit your trade, you can choose whichever appropriate at every time. So if you prefer to continue with the old method, or don't say the old method, our original way of exit, which is TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, is great. And if you just want to keep this ATR as a check, that's also fantastic. All right. So now you got your TP1, 2, and 3 from here, which is good. As we said before, if you are doing that, you put 3 trades on. Okay, you put 3 trades on. Your TP, once you hit your TP1 here, you move your stop loss. Okay, you hit your TP2 there, you move your stop loss again, and then you hit your TP3 there, and your trade is also finished. You finish your trade. Okay, so that's how to trail. You trail it with the box size. So some people ask me, okay, how many pips should I trail in my position? Don't even think about it. Don't worry yourself about it. It's there. This is the box. Trail it by the size of this box. So today's box is 20 pips. Trail your position by the size of the box. It's so easy. Don't use 5 pips. Don't use any arbitrary number of pips to trail your position. Trail it by the size of the box. Okay. So you got your TP1, 2, and 3 here. And then another opportunity comes begging again here. Let's see where that opportunity is. Now that's why I don't like indicators. You know, they keep on, you know, cluttering your space. Yeah, they keep on cluttering your space. You don't see what you are doing. I like clean charts. If you know me, I like clean charts. See what I'm doing. So now we got opportunity here again to go long. So I'm going to make it big. And I want you to give me answer. Fingers on the buzzer. Fingers on the buzzer, please. Okay. All right. So Choi, good. You're welcome. You are part of the team. Okay. So now fingers on the buzzer. So which one is our trigger candle? So here we go out here. We come back here again. We go out here. All right. So this is candle number 1, candle number 2, candle number 3. Which one is the trigger candle? 1, 2, or 3? Everybody, fingers on the buzzer, please. 1, 2, or 3. Here we go. Fast. Fast. No slow. We don't want slow. We want it fast, quick. 1, 2, or 3. Which one? Good stuff. Health Fit number 3. Adekunle number 2. Choi number 3. Adekunle, check it again. Adekunle, check it again. Ronki number 3. Ronki, yes. Okay. I think no. Don't let me confuse you. Stick with your answers. If you believe your answer is correct, stick with it. Okay, because this is number 1, that's number 2, that's number 3. Okay, all right. So, anybody changing their mind? Anybody changing their mind? So, Pritesh says 2, Adekunle 2, Lebogan 2, Robert 2. Anyone changing their mind? All right. Health Fit say 3. Adekunle 2, Choi 3, Anchef 3, Ronki 3, Robert 3, Leboham 3, and Diehard Junior 3. Diehard all. You're just coming, huh? You're just joining. You are going to pay some fines today. We're going to fine you today. Oh, great stuff. You're welcome. Okay, so, right. If you tell me your answer is number 1, it is completely wrong, because number 1 is touching the line. It's halfway in, halfway out. Uncommitted candle. We don't want that. We want a completely free candle, committed candle. Number 2, if you say your answer is 2, it is not right, because this candle is still touching the line. However, if you tell me it's number 3, definitely right. I see here that it's not touching the line. There's still a small gap between the low of that candle and this line. Okay, so there's a line, there's a gap there. Hence, this is our candle. So we're looking at that candle, which is the candle here, number 3. Excellent. Okay, Daniel, number 3. Elijah. Elijah, no, you're not late. You're not late at all, because we do everything in cycle. So we finish cycle 1, then we start all over again. We repeat the cycle again. So you're not late. You're welcome. Right timing. Okay, so we know our take profit target also was 20 pips. So let's see what we're able to get from here. Do we get anywhere near 20 pips? Yes, we did. We did 21 pips. 21 pips, 22, 21 pips. Which is good enough for us to exit, or even we can go to that top as well. That's 20 something pips as well, so which is great. So ladies and gentlemen, for the pound dollar today, we got our TP1, 2 and 3, and just here we get TP1. Excellent, great stuff. Okay, so the floor is open to you now. It's your chance. Okay, but as I said to you, have you been to the Telegram group yet? Yeah? Okay, thank you, Ravi. Who has not been to Telegram group? If you are not, let me know now. If you have not been to the Telegram group yet, because this indicator I'm showing here, this indicator is there. The other one, which I've just shown you as well, is there, which is the I shown you ATR stop indicator is also there. I believe. Yes, I've uploaded it yesterday. We uploaded it yesterday after the lesson yesterday. So go over there and download it. Okay. So here is the link. Here is a link to join the Telegram group. So you have to click that link now and join. Okay. Okay, just join yesterday. That's good. Daniel, how did you find it when you joined yesterday? What was your experience? Did anybody bully you there, or did they help you? I'm sure you're going to tell us your experience. I'm sure you're not going to see somebody abuse you there, right? Oh, great stuff. Tell us your experience live on YouTube. Live on YouTube. Let us know how you feel. How do people make you feel there? Okay. So we've given some people badge of honor. Okay. We have some badge of honor people here. So some of them are not on the channel, on the YouTube live today, right now, but they know themselves. The veterans. Is any veterans in the house tonight? Any veterans in the house tonight? Oh my good. Okay, Oje, you are yet to join. Okay, this is your chance. Here you go. That's your chance to join. Click that link and join now. That's your big chance to join. Okay, so right. So now let me know if you want to see anything else. Oh, thank you, Daniel. Thank you for confirmation that it was great to be in there. So now you can hear it from Daniel. Okay. Yes, you can watch the recordings. You're not too late. You're still getting the whole lot of the gist. Actually, the big gist is still yet to come. Okay. So anybody wants to see anything else? Okay. Anybody wants to see anything else? This is Australia US dollar. This is Australia US dollar. Good one. Let's go through the list. This is US dollar Canada. Very good one. You can see. This is New Zealand. Very good one. You can see. You can make TP1, 2, or maybe 1 and 2 here, or even up to 3. Euro GBP. Fantastic. TP1 to 4. You can make TP1 to 4 on this one. See, we are not cherry picking. We are just putting all the currency pair on the chart. Great here again. How many TP? TP1 to 4, maybe, or 3 from here. We're just putting it. Look, another one here. This is today. Okay, this is today. So here you make your at least TP1. Okay. Aussie chef. Aussie chef. Nice looking one. Nice looking one. This is TP1 and TP2. You get it there. Next, Aussie Japan. Aussie Japanese yen. At least here you get your TP1. Great stuff. Great trading. Aussie New Zealand. Aussie New Zealand, I would say break even. With this one, break even, I would say. Because it doesn't look like it's up to TP1. So break even trade. Which one is this? Aussie Gold. I don't trade that, but I'll put it anyway. That's why, yeah. Here you get your TP1. Can you see how the box work? So we don't cherry pick. We just put the box on and expect something fantastic to happen. Look at that. Look at the card chef, right? So how many TP can you get here? We're looking at TP1, 2, and 3, probably. And if you're able to get up to here, fantastic. All right, let's go next. Card Japan. Card Japanese yen. Another one, another great entry. TP1, maybe. Chef Gold. I don't trade that. Oh, good. That one looks very good. Very good. So you got TP1, 2, 3. Okay, and some people, they wait for what they call pullbacks. When you got pullbacks, they can go in, but we don't trade pullbacks. Okay, next one is Chef Japan. Great again today, right? Great again today. From here you can get your TP1, TP2, TP3, probably. Euro Australia. What do we have? Euro Aussie. Is it today? Yeah, this is today. Euro Aussie, you get your TP1, TP2. Okay. Hello, Shinokube. Oh, Shinkuba. Invest. Hello, how are you? Is this your first time? Okay, Collins. Collins the veteran. Collins the veteran is here. Okay, good. Good to see you. Okay, you want to see S&P 500, okay? All right, Sinkuba, good to have you here. All right, Euro Chef, let's quickly draw fast. Euro Chef, TP1, maybe TP2, Euro Card, great stuff. This one will give you TP1, TP2, TP3, at least, if no more. If not up to TP7 up there. All right, maybe we should go a little bit faster to some other currency pair, okay? Because all these DKK or Hong Kong, okay, Euro Japanese yen, this one is tradable. Maybe TP1 here, maybe TP1. Euro New Zealand, good one here. TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay. Well, this is we don't trade that. We don't trade this Turkish lira. The next one is GBP Aussie, Pound Aussie. This one will give you a break-even trade. A break-even trade here, because I mean you can see that this is a huge box. So huge box, sometimes avoid huge box. Okay, so when your box is this huge, let's see the size of this box. The size of this box, when it's so huge, just avoid it altogether. Oh my jeez, 100 pips. I didn't even know when I said it's huge. I can see it's huge. 100 pip box. Run away. Dear. Oh dear me. Oh dear me. Run away. Quick. Fast. GBP card. Yeah, this is reasonable, right? Oh, okay. This is today. This now also looks a bit big, but let's see. Let's measure it. This will give you TP1 maybe. If you get into a trade here, it might trick you into one sell, but the buy trade here will you get your money back from that buy trade. So let me see what's the pip size here. It's not bad. 45 pips is not bad. It's good. Pan chef. What is that? Look, that pan chef. Okay, so this kind of opportunity you can apply the range, the indicator we used, which is the ATR stop. For this you can apply ATR stop. ATR stop will get you out around about here. Okay, so once you're in the trade and you see, oh, this trade is going well for me, put the ATR stop, and it wouldn't trail it for you, but you are going to be moving your stop loss based on the direction or the information that the ATR is giving you, this indicator is giving you. You trail it until you are stopped out. Okay. All right. Anyway, who's here? S&P. All right. Hello. Oh, it's your first time here. Okay, Sinkuba, you're welcome. You're welcome. From SA, from the big city of South Africa, big country of South Africa, Johannesburg, Pretoria, Randburg, Southampton, Albertine, Mpumalanga, Soweto, which one there? Everywhere. Good stuff. Excellent. Okay, Lunes. Oh, is this your first time as well? We got a lot of people first timer today. Brilliant. All right, Choice. See you later. Thank you so much. Good to see you today. We love you to be on the Telegram. Come and join us there and enjoy it. Okay? All right. Good to see you. Sinkuba. Leones. Good to see you. All right. So, everyone, I want you to click that link to the Telegram channel and join, because that is where it is happening. Okay? It is happening in that Telegram channel. Oh, Vrenikin. Oh, I know Vrenikin. Good stuff. I know Vrenikin. It's good place. Lovely. I know, next to Albertine. Yes, from Albertine. You leave Joburg, you go to Albertine. There you see Tokoza. It's not far from there. Excellent. Oh man, I used to live in Albertine before. Oh, good stuff. Great. Okay, so now you can, if you trade this particular one, which is the GBP Chev, you got great opportunity there. All right, somebody wants to see something. Somebody wants to see S&P 500. So let's move there. S&P 500. Where are you? S&P 500. This is it. S&P 500. Okay, is this today? Oh, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have gone for S&P 500 today, you will probably be calling your bank and say, hey, man, I need to cash my check. Can you just do some withdrawal for me, please? Can I make some withdrawal, please? I need some police escort to take me home because my bag is just full of cash. Because here you can see you're gonna make how many TP? TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, maybe TP5, maybe TP4 final one. Excellent. Okay, anybody wants to see something else? Sinkoba, you're welcome. All right. So as I said, I'm going to show you something else again. Okay, so now you have seen the indicator, and now you have seen how the system works. Can you imagine when all of us are together in a particular platform and we're all trading together? We might not be using the same strategy, a different strategy. Okay, so that platform is coming very soon. Okay, very shortly, and be ready for it. I think I've been telling you guys for a while that when it comes, I will announce it and everyone will be aware. So no one is going to be left out when the platform is ready. But remember, it doesn't wait too long. People will join and you have to be there. Okay, so this is the platform. It's called your Trade Mentor, and you can see my face. If you've been following me on YouTube, you might see this face very often. So this is for us. Okay, this is for you, it's for me. We are all together here. So we're gonna jump into this platform. It's a great platform. We are going to operate different packages, so silver, gold, and diamond. So silver package is for people that just want to come into the website and log into the portal and enjoy every facility that is there. So you have the video, you have the resources, you have PDF, you have training, you have live session, everything that is there, you will enjoy it. Gold package is somebody who wants a one-to-one mentorship. Okay, they have been trading already, they just want a touch-up, like a one-day touch-up. Okay, so that's for them. And diamond is for somebody who say, look, I need to understand the whole thing about Forex. You know, I want you to start with me as if I've never traded before. You know, so for that person, it's going to be 3 days, one-to-one mentorship. So this one is a 1 day, one-to-one mentorship, and this one is just coming to the website, into your portal, enjoy it, and learn as much as you can. There will be loads and loads of videos, loads and loads of resources there. So this is just the front end. If you log in, but now it is not ready, so I will announce when it's ready. It's not ready yet. So when you log in, and you get something like that. Okay, when you log in, you see a platform that looks like this. Okay, it will tell you who you are. It will tell you your dashboard, that you're a gold package, how long you are there for. Then there are other stuff like your profile, and then you get to resources. Okay, under resources you have this my video, which is loads of video there. And under available resources, you got loads and loads of stuff under available resources, and on that training video, you got lots of training videos. So this training video is for your mentorship. So when you had a one-to-one mentorship with me, and whatever we have talked about, it will be uploaded onto your own dashboard. Only you can see that. Okay, only you will be able to see your training video. But my video is there for everyone. Available resources is there for everyone. And also you can refer your friends, and then you get paid for that. The good thing is everyone is going to learn, and you're going to make use of this opportunity and make money. So this is going to be coming very soon. Over many years on YouTube, I've been saying, look, when my mentorship is ready, I will openly announce it. So I am announcing it now, but I'm just telling you that just be getting ready. It's not, you can't register right now. You cannot register right now. Maybe in some few weeks. Yeah, so just make sure you are ready for it. and I will make sure that everyone in my group is able to join. You will never say it's because I don't have money. No, forget it. You will not tell me because I don't have money, that's why it's too expensive. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way. You know me. I've been doing this for years on YouTube. I don't get anything from anybody. So everyone is welcome. So get ready. I will make sure that you are accommodated. Okay? So let's go back to our training just to let you know about that. I hope you're all excited for it. Oh, Ajilore, you are not late to the party. The party has just got started. The party just got started. Let's get the party started. Okay, so who wants to see something else? Who wants to see something else? Okay, let me see our usual. Okay, we used to see we used to see JP225. JP225. Okay, yeez, look at that. Look at this boy here. Look at this JP225 boy here. That is great stuff. Oh, JP225. But you know what? For JP225, we do change our time at the indicator. Okay. You excited? Me too. I am really excited. I'm telling you. I am telling you. I am excited for you, and I'm excited for myself because I'm going to be able to teach people. That's what I want to do. I want to teach you. My goodness. Oh yeah. Can you imagine if me and you we're talking one-to-one? No one is there. Me, you, one-to-one. And then you're asking me direct questions, you know. How will I place this indicator? What is the best indicator you have ever used? You know, what is your best experience? You know, I've done this trade. How can I do better? You know, one-to-one. That is all what it's all about. Okay, because mentors, they've gone through some experiences which you don't have to repeat the same thing. Excellent. So let's make sure we identify our Asian markets. So let's identify the Asian market, which is this one here. So 2 to 3. We use 2 to 3 for the Asian market, 9 to 10 for Europe. And we do sometime when we turn on the America session, we put 1 to 2 p.m. But for now, let's leave America out of the equation. Let's just look at Asian and Europe. Let's see how they perform. Okay, right. Can you guys see what is going on? So we make a high at the first hour of Asian session. We made another high at the first hour of Europe session. Is that coincidental or is it planned? Why is it we made a high here and we made the same high here again? Right? So it could be coincidental, it could be repeatable, right? Awesome. Daddy Long Pips. Awesome. I'm ready. You are ready. The whole wide world is ready. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get this party started. Great stuff. Okay. Joke apart. Okay, so if you did JP225, so here we'll have our TP1, probably, if not up to TP2, at least we get TP1. But for sure, this one we get TP1, TP2, and TP3. I mean, how easy it is to make pips, ladies and gentlemen. How easy it is to make pips with little effort. You are not looking at 5 indicators. Oh, MACD has crossed from oversold to oversold level, from level 20 upward, and the stochastic also has crossed. Moving average is below 50, and the oh Jesus Christ. So now you can see there's a simpler way of doing this, right? Simpler way of doing that. Okay, good stuff. Anybody wants to see anything? Anything else? Yes, Ben, let's rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get the party started. Okay, now you can make your demand. Anyone is free to make their demand. If you want anything special to see, it's your time to show it. If you have crush on any pair, if you have crush on any of this pair, let me know and I'll show you. I'll give you a shout out. Yes, it's great to make pips. Yes, I'll give you a shout out. If you want anything, let me know. You're free. This is open. We don't hide anything. If there's losses, we show it. If there's profit, we show it. It's open and explicit. And it's open group. Okay, you know the group is the Telegram group. Okay, if you have not joined the Telegram group, I've just sent you now. Oh, Nick Nkube, good. You still new. Okay, click that Telegram group. And I don't want you to be new anymore, because once you get there, you become an experienced trader within few days, because you are going to learn from over 600. I'm sure. Who can confirm to us what is the number now on the Telegram group? Who can confirm the number to us? How much are we on Telegram group? Because I don't want to quote wrong number. I've been saying 600, maybe less, maybe more. maybe it's only 20. Maybe it's only 50 people on Telegram and I'm calling 600. So anybody want to confirm that? Veterans, who is the biggest veterans here? Confirm that for us, please. All right. Okay, good stuff. Okay, so Nkube, you're asking, how do we set the sessions? Okay, the session is so straightforward. 704. We have crossed the 700 barriers today. Great stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, 705. Can you imagine 700 people trading one strategy, SBS? I mean, look at it. If it doesn't work, do you think 700 people are stupid? They will stay there. If it doesn't work, they will go. But why did they stay there? Why do they stay there? Just ask that question. Why are this? What are they doing? And we've got our, we got our rules and regulation on the group. We don't talk about different strategies, no, because we know there are thousands and one strategy in forex. Anybody can make a strategy. So if we start talking about different strategy, it will get confused and we'll lost our focus. Okay, so we have made that rule. You only talk about SBS because we know it works, but you can adjust the SBS to your style. We don't say you must do it this way, but it has to be SBS. So somebody has brought a new strategy, it's the same strategy, a new way. It says, okay, when I get my box, I don't really go in immediately after the box. I wait for a retest of the box. That is fantastic. That is genius. Because what is happening is trying to get a better price. Not only that, is trying to see if the first breakout is a false breakout. Because if the first one is a false breakout, it will use to come back and retest. So when it retests and then go again, that is when you know it is confirmed. It's a confirmed breakout. So this fellow said, look, that's what I do. I will wait and retest and then go in. I say, look, fantastic. That's still SBS. But if somebody come in and say, I'm coming with a new indicator, it's called Jungle in the Rumble. I said, no. We don't want to jungle in the Rumble here, mate. We're not jungle anywhere. Okay, we were SBS. And we remain SBS. Okay, good stuff. Okay, just join and try to understand how this works. Okay, it's so simple. Alfred, okay, we've discussed it already. So you put in a box. Somebody asked for a box. Let me quickly show you. You put in a box. So let me take off the Asian session for now. This is the session box. Okay, so you download this on the When you get to the group, the Telegram group, which is that link there, you download this session indicator. It's in the file session. So when you get there on the file session, you download it, and then you just go into it. You can set any of these sessions if you like. Asian session, you can set it. Europe session, you can set it. American session, you can set it. Okay. So, but because you asked how to set it, I'm going to set it only for Europe for now. Okay. Only for Europe. If you don't want Asian session, you turn the color off. If you don't want American session, you turn the color off. If you want Europe session, you turn the color to something different than nothing. Okay, purple, blue, yellow, green, white, whatever you want. So this time we set it to purple for Europe. So hence, you will see that this will disappear now. This is Asian session. It will disappear. It will leave us with Europe session. Okay. Now Asian session is gone because we have to remove the color and we allow only the Europe. So our original strategy, we trade this box only, this Europe box. It's only 1 hour. It's only 1 hour. That's all it takes. It's only 1 hour it takes. I'm sure there's a guy on the Telegram channel, I think today, traded I think, is it five trades or something like 5, 6, 7 trades, all winners on one currency pair. And after 2 hours or 3 hours of trading, it says, I'm done for the day. SBS stands for Simple Breakout Strategy. SBS, Simple Breakout Strategy. Okay, Alan, you're a newbie. I just want to know if the SBS work for every time frame. No, SBS doesn't work with time frames. SBS is only put on a 5 minutes, and you don't change time frame with SBS. No, it's just a box. It's just a box. Yeah, the box only work with 5 minutes, and once the box is drawn, then you look for your trigger candle. Like for example, let's quickly do this one just for the benefit of who? Alan, for your benefit. Okay, that's why I want to show this one. Otherwise, all my guys and ladies, they know this already. So the box is done. This is just 1 hour between the hour of 7 and 8 GMT. So you adjust that to your own broker. So it's broker time, 7 to 8 GMT. All right. So after the box is drawn, your job now is to find the candle that pop out of the box. So it must pop out of the box, but not touching the line again. So you can see this one is popping out, but part of it is still in the box, it's touching. So it's not the candle. The next one is completely outside of the box. That is our candle. That is our baby. That's what we are looking for. Now we got it. So now we got it. So we wait for this candle to close. So when it closes, then we sell, because the box is below. This is a breakout below the box. This is a breakout below the box. If the breakout had been above the box, then we will be buying. Okay. So now we are selling here below the box. So that's our sell line at the close of that candle. All right. At the close of that candle, we are selling here at the close of this candle, and our stop loss will be on this line or just 1 or 2 pips above that line. And our take profit is the size of this box. Let's see what is the size of this box. Oh, JP225. Okay, 127. Let's call it 127 pips. Okay, so 127 pips, and let's see how many pips we are able to garner from here. 127 pips. This is 300 pips. So if the take profit is 127 and you're able to get 300, so you're able to set your TP1 at 127, TP2 at maybe 264, whatever it is. So you make your TP1 and TP2 and you're out of that trade. Excellent. That is it, all about it. It's no more than that. So simple. Yes, you can trade indices. Actually, this is indices. This is a Japanese index. Okay. Let's look at another index. Which index we want to look at? Dutch mark. I like Dutch Mac. Dutch Mac. Okay, let's trade Dutch Mac on this thing. Okay, this is Dutch Mac for you today, ladies and gentlemen. It seems to be a good day for this strategy today, right? It's a good day today. So we've just looked, we have just looked at JP225, haven't we? We saw how it performed excellently. Now we are looking at another one, which is the Dutch Mark. That is German indices. This is German, the best 30 companies in Germany. Okay, this is their index. Now you go short. Okay, this candle is touching. All right, let's quickly do this one. Okay, this is not the candle we are looking for. It's touching. The next one is actually not the candle, because I don't want to say because I can't see. Let's assume it's touching, right? So it's touching. So the next one is definitely not touching. It's completely outside. So that is at the close of that candle. That's when you sell. Okay. So you see, that's why I say it's a cycle. You never come late to our teaching. You never come late, because anytime you are here, you still get the juice. Okay. You still get the juice. Oh man, you're asking for videos. Man, we got more than 20 videos on this strategy. So just pick any of the videos. This particular tonight's live session will be uploaded to YouTube, so you can watch it all over again. You can download it if you like and watch it several times. I always believe that when I learn something and I have it with me, it's easy for me to remember. So I like videos even than reading books. Okay, so you can watch it all over again tonight if you want to. So here you go short after this candle close. You put your stop loss right here. Your take profit is the size of this candle, which is at the moment 75 pips. Okay, so you are looking for 75 pips from here. 75 pips. What do you get? You get 273. 273. So how many pips is, how many TP is that? TP1, TP2, TP3, maybe TP4 as well. Excellent. Oh, okay. Once you are in the Telegram group, here is a link to Telegram group. Here is a link to Telegram group. Click that link first. When you join the group, there is a file section. Under the file section, you will see the indicator called sessions. Okay, sessions MQ4 sessions. Then download that and put it on your platform. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for tonight. I think we had a good time tonight. I certainly do, and I believe that you do too. Thank you for joining from all over the world. We are from Korea, we are from India, we are from Africa, we are from America, we are from Southeast Asia, everywhere tonight. So it's good to have you here. And I hope I was able to answer some of your questions. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Let me know. Otherwise, thank you so much. It's been pleasure. It's been great to have you tonight, to discuss with you, to chat with you. And I hope you get this strategy. Most importantly, as we speak, you must go to the Telegram group and click. If you have not joined the group, you have to join now, because that is where you will understand this strategy more, and you can have great community. As Nkube just said, yes, it's a great community over here and also on the group. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Glad that you are here, and very shortly I'll be coming live again to speak to you. Take care, everybody. Good night, good morning, good evening.